Good evening, my friends. Today I have brought about just for your thought and action of four materialistic approaches which bring about the actual you by determining in the form of four: time, skill, capacity, and knowledge factors. And keeping in two other material approaches which are otherwise realistic, because already they are material, but these seem to be immaterial, but they are more material than the material one. And that's why only it is said that no use of something is misused. If at all you have got something in your life but that's not used, means it is misused. No use in itself comprises of misuse. It's a bare fact. It happens even right from the beginning of our childhood up to us being established in the society, along with a marvelous job, a job that brings not just happiness in you but satisfaction among others, those, especially those who are associated with you, well associated. So let me begin with something unused is misused. Obviously, that is, no use is a misuse. If you don't use something, that is misuse. The citation in the form of examples are, for example, unused, all these unused. Unused time is wasted. Unused machine becomes rusted. Unused money gets depreciated. 10 or 15 years ago, the amount that counted just 1000 rupee is indeed today equal to 100 rupees, or even sometimes less than it, in context of the commodity that's likely to be purchased. So money gets depreciated as a result of its misuse. Skill is demolished. Skill finishes. Capacity weakens. Knowledge converts into undesired load. Mind it well. You have knowledge. You are full of knowledge. But for yourself also, even for yourself, there is no use of it. For what you are unnecessarily carrying this load? It's not merely a psychological load for you, it's actually a psychological load for others. The sooner you try to enter their majority or their group, everyone will started getting rid of you or start letting you alone, aloof from you. So let me repeat it. Unused time is wasted. Unused machine becomes rusted. Unused money gets depreciated. Unused skills demolished. Unused capacity weakens. And the knowledge, unused knowledge, converts into undesired load. There are four important gems. Others are also there. Inspiration, inculcation, inspiration, and feeling towards others, feeling for yourself, your real wants. These all are secondary. They are somehow by this or that found to involve knowledge. Inspiration, inculcation, motivation, all these involve primitively knowledge. So time plus skill plus capacity plus knowledge, these four factors determine actual you. There's somebody actual inside you which can neither be exposed every now and then, nor it can be exposed over yourself. If at all, your knowledge, your time, your skill, your capacity plus your knowledge, all these four factors which determine the actual you in you. If by mistake, somehow by this way or that, you realized it, maybe you become proud of yourself. To be proud of yourself is wrong. Be submissive, not for others, but actually for you also. You ought to be submissive for yourself. You say, see here, I have got my own limitations. Though people used to call me as a knowledgeable person or time bound, punctual person, skilled man, has got enormous capacity, wonderful capacity to do anything and everything. Maybe people may call you like that, but you are not supposed to feel proud of yourself in context of what others speak about you or have feeling about you. Sometimes people, especially those who are your real relatives, don't speak in your presence what actually you are. But whenever they get the chance to speak it outside, inside the world which is surrounds you, in outside world, they speak. I found it. My students never admired anybody when he is present. He was present. When he was not there and they were discussing about him, they spoke appropriate. They spoke the reality. They spoke what actually he got, he had, he owned, special in spite of others. So, this is all about today's lecture. It's not merely an inspirational lecture. I have already referred to many times. My sentences are so far shortest possible and will certainly be shortest possible in the days to come also. My friends, my followers, all are free to use them as and when required, provided they keep it in the library, this cited library in their brain. Keep it. Just remember it. Be confirmed that you are sure to use them as and when required. Use it. It's not a copyright. No thought, no words, no philosophy, no ethic is copyright. There's nothing like copyright except some photographs, some exceptional work, some remarkable work. Why? Yeah, who did it? That person did it. Okay, that may be copyright, provided it's really up to the level of copyright. Here there's nothing copyright. Many people must have already said all these things, but mine is a different style. Maybe few others have spoke 1,000 times better than I. Variety of people are there in this world, but if you feel these sentences really useful, just remember it, keep it in your library, and you are free to use them as and when required. No problem at all. I'll not claim for anything. If you liked it, if you find something to be liked, you may please subscribe, comment, and observe it. That's all. कितने